Alright, so let's say, oops, that I wanted to make the construction of an equilateral hexagon. So what we would do is we'd start by making a point for our circle. There's my pointer. Okay, so now I'm going to make a circle using the compass. So you can put your golden circle on that point and make this circle as big as you want. So you can put your pencil in any hole on the compass. So remember which hole you use for the compass. Now you made the circle. You're going to move your golden circle so that it's on the circle. From there you will make an arc that was the same length as before. So keep your pencil in the same hole that you used to make the circle. Now your golden circle's on this point. Okay, and you're going to make that same arc. Now your golden circle's here. Make that same arc. Make that same arc. Make that same arc. Make that same arc. Okay, so those become the 6 points that you need to connect in order to make your hexagon. So you would use your straight edge here. You're going from point to point, connecting those points, and you get a hexagon. Okay, so what's neat is that this is an equilateral hexagon. So I need to mark all of these sides as congruent. Okay, so that's how you make your equilateral hexagon. You would do the same thing for an equilateral triangle. So let me just undo some stuff here. For an equilateral triangle, back it up, back it up. Okay, you, oops, redo, undo, undo. Oh shoot, this isn't gonna work, is it? I delete these. Okay, we'll just move them. How about that? Okay, so once we got those 6 points on the circle, instead of connecting every one to each other, we're going to connect every other one. Okay, so there's our equilateral triangle. We can mark that as congruent also. Okay, there is one more way to make an equilateral triangle. Okay, and that's by starting with a certain segment length. Alright, so let's say I want my triangle to have a side length of this. Okay, so start by making a ray using your straight edge. Okay, we're going to put our golden circle here, make an arc through this endpoint. And we're going to copy this down here. Okay, so that tells us one side length of the triangle. We can actually continue that arc. Now put your golden circle on this endpoint, through the other arc. Where they cross, put your third point, and connect these lines. Okay, this would be your equilateral triangle. Add in the markings to show that it's equilateral.